Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul में देवियों सज्जनों अब वक्त है विमेन्स 53 यानी कि 53 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रही है भारतीय मूल की कुमारी पिंकी। Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul में अब आ रही है एमपी योद्धा की ओर से भारतीय मूल की ऋतु फोगाट।
जो भी आके टकराता है कर देते हैं उसका खात्मा। हर बाजी को खेले अपनी।
Pinky versus Ritu Bogart in this category. It's very important for them to win. And right now, I welcome Mr. Joe Bart in the English comms box. This is going to be fun.
Thank you, Sahil. It's such an honor to be right next to you. It's quite an exciting evening, ladies and gentlemen. And right now, we have head-on-head two teams, Delhi Sultans and MP Yodha. This is going to be quite an interesting bout, actually, Sahil.
It is also because Ritu has such an international experience, and on the other hand, Pinky is trying to brim up with a lot of potential.
Yes, traditionally these wrestlers do meet on the Indian circuit every now and then. So the game plan is already there that they want to win. And both the teams are, as of now, trying to do as much possibly they can.
And right now, Ritu and Pinky locking horns, figuring each other out, trying to see who's going to move on first and then who can counter it as well.
Yeah, interesting bit you see, Sahil, is the fact that Ritu has more international exposure, which also makes a lot of advantage when it comes, because you also have a lot of international wrestlers and their playing styles are way different than what the so-called Indian style of wrestling is.
But her style is more like Mahavir Fogart style. Mari chori choriyon se kam hai ke? So when you come from such a golden lineage of wrestlers,
Yes.
I think there's a lot of weight on your shoulders, and Ritu is going to take care of it very well.
Yes, of course, the Fogart sisters have done India proud in the past, and now it's time for Ritu to shine out as well. These all cousins. Now, it runs in the family, not in just the family, in the relatives as well. The Fogart sisters have their cousins as well who've come into wrestling as well. All the inspiration coming from Geeta and Babita.
And if we talk about Vinesh, one of their cousins, last night's performance was ecstatic, exceptional.
Yes, it was, and I think that was truly an international bout that we got to see.
We saw the champion side of Vinesh.
Oh yes, of course, of course. That's why probably she's been made the captain at such a young age, considering that there are more other experienced players in the team.
Yeah. And if we talk about Ritu's performance last year, that was also very well positioned, planned, and her technique was very on point. And now both going at each other, Ritu getting a little more aggressive and into the game.
Red 1 point.
Right now with a little bit of an advantage with the attack, Ritu Fogart trying to get it, because when she lunged in, it looked like she's going to take it over.
Ritu trying to block Pinky. But already Pinky has 1 point in her bag.
Yeah, because see, when Ritu lunged in, it was preempted by Pinky, so that is why she has that advantage.
Yeah.
So
And
to
Pinky
be
could
present-
block it successfully.
Yes, of course. Her defense is a little stronger as of now, that we can see. And they're trying to find a way she could lunge in one more time. If you can see, they're trying to grapple each other as of now, and trying to figure out if Ritu is going to get her first point, because if she was so fast, she could have broken the defense of Pinky, which she could not. Pinky could preempt that, and she just went right ahead.
And Ritu also understands that attack is the best form of defense, while Pinky thinks defense is the best form of defense.
Whatever works for them, as long as they can keep
Whatever floats
their
the boat.
side.
I'm not showing off my maths is okay with 2 ka pahada, but everything else is great.
Well, as of now, as we can see, years of practice, years of hard work, and 3 minutes takes a toll on you.
Yeah.
That's exactly what is happening as of now.
6 minutes into I don't know how many years,
Yes, of course.
multiplied by 24 and multiplied by 7. That's what their training is all about. And now it
Ladies and
comes to one
gentlemen, you're
bout.
just having a crash course in mathematics from Sahil Khattar.
Well, Joe, if I ask you what is 32 minus 6?
Some of the numbers. 32 minus 6.
Chabbi,
Okay.
26.
Okay.
That was just me testing his mathematics. But on the other hand, Ritu Phogat and Pinky are testing each other's wrestling skills. Let's go
Yes,
back
of course,
to that.
Pinky's at an advantage as of now. She has a stronger defense, and she is defensive as of now, as we can see. Now, she was trying to lunge in and try and see if she could get in. There's a
here the
little
referee
frustration that you could see on Ritu's face
contact.
because Pinky's
No finger.
defense is what she's now been able to get through.
And Pinky being the junior one amongst both of them in the same weight category, while Ritu has a lot of international experience, I think Pinky is on the 9th cloud.
Yes, well, then again, the mathematics comes in, but
Just because we're talking about numbers doesn't have to be mathematics all the time, Joe.
Oh, let me tell you, when it comes to numbers, all I know is 1.
Ah,
Nobody remembers number 2.
true that,
Both
true
accent.
that. That's truly spoken like king.
Well, traditionally, when they are trained, these wrestlers, especially on the Indian side,
Below 1
they are
point.
taught more of defense. Defense is what they are told to keep them strong, because as you can see, she is looking comfortable. Pinky is looking very comfortable as of now. And what Pinky is doing,
And that
Continue.
move, that was fierce. It could have taken Ritu's neck with that.
well, that's part of it.
And only 1 minute separating both of them. But the tie is neck to neck with 1 point each in both the teams. Corner and pocket, and Ritu being really
Excellent.
aggressive, and Pinky trying to block with all the metal and breath and sweat she has.
Yes, but then you can see that somewhere or the other, she's got the legs and she's trying to flip her over if she can.
Action.
Look at that raw strength. 50 seconds for both of them to take a point and go ahead. Ritu trying to save the pin. This is going to be really important. Ritu still trying, Ritu trying her level best. But the shoulders are not on the mat. Now Ritu turns it around.
It's almost there, as we can see.
That's a lot
Commonwealth
of
Championship
turning around
silver
on.
medal winner, that's Pinky. And if she has done that, you can see that spark in there.
Ritu trying to save that pin, but Pinky not giving up. Thank God for
Action,
Ritu's
Blue!
team. She turned around. Otherwise, this would have been chit pat match game set. 12
Yes.
seconds to go, but Pinky scoring 2 points.
Pinky's at an advantage. Like I said, she's been defensive all this while.
I think Pinky was a cheetah on the prowl. She was waiting for the other one to attack, so then she can just grab hold of the
National
situation.
championship, she's won a gold, so she's improved over the last few years. This is the last few seconds that Ritu could try
seconds to
if she
go.
can.
This is one of the biggest shockers of Pro Wrestling League season 4. Ritu could
Both up.
not take advantage of a situation, and Pinky took it
Very good.
away from her hands. This is going to go down in the history.
Yes, of course, Sahil. As considered that Pinky came into this mat as an underdog. But then again, last few seconds made all the difference.
मत ले पंगा